Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your SOUNDCORE SPORT X20 using your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line or click at the search here and write SOUNDCORE. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Agree. Now I'm going to skip it, but you can sign in into your account. Allow. Add device. Allow. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!